Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, the upcoming Huawei P50 Pro Plus is here. A couple of weeks ago, on leaks posted 3D render of the Huawei P50 and a P50 Pro. Both devices share a curious design with a two large circle on the pill-shaped camera bump. However, those circle will lift blank. Now, another leak star, Huawei, has published a render of the previously unseen Huawei P50 Pro Plus, claiming to reveal what lives inside those circle, and it's pretty wild. It's a penta camera design with a periscope and a similar lens in one circle, plus a triple camera and a TOF sensor in the other circle. So smaller lens in a circle. Those render may not 100% accurate. However, last month this seems Leakstar was showing a very different layout of the P50 Pro Plus rear camera. The thing is, even if the render are based on actual insider info, makes usually try out different prototype before settling on a final design. And the P50 launch is still months away. The rumor March launch date for the P50 series is not happening, as the syndication against Huawei have not been based off. The company reportedly had a delay the launch and to cut production target. There is a no solid indication of when the P50 will be unveiled to the world. The latest report claimed that the new flagship will be announced in May. Anyway, the front of the device is showing stably curved side off, and the waterfall display, they differently look curver than the P50 Pro display. According to report from last year, Huawei has going to use Samsung and LG OLED display on the P50 series, but that may no longer be true. At least it can always tap BOE or another domestic display maker. Securing the naked Kirin 9000 chipset will be more difficult and likely a large part of why the launch keeps getting pushed back. So this is the latest report about the upcoming Huawei P50 Pro Plus. Let me know in the comment section, are you waiting for this device? And also like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll catch you later in my next video. Peace out.